We all have heard that it is very important to drink water, but the question is, why is it important to drink water? Do you also wonder what benefits mere water could do? To answer the question, water is the most important component for survival. People fight for water because it's magical. Drinking 8 to 10 glasses daily can help you get rid of all your health-related problems. Before beginning the video, make sure you have subscribed to Healthy Lifestyle Tips to never miss any video related to good lifestyle habits and other health tips. Also ring the bell, I can get notified whenever we post new health-related videos. In today's video, you are going to talk about the benefits of water. Make sure to watch the video till the end and make water part of your daily beauty regime. The first and foremost benefit of drinking water is the fact and it helps in weight loss. Drinking water can suppress your appetite, boost your metabolism, and make exercising easier and more effective, all of which could contribute to results on the scale. While countless factors, behaviors, and predispositions can affect your body weight, if your goal is long-term moderate weight loss, making sure you're hydrated might be a good place to start. Water can naturally suppress your appetite. About 2 cups should fill your stomach enough for your brain to register fullness. Drinking water can boost your metabolism. According to Huggins, drinking water may boost your body's metabolism and energy expenditure, which ultimately helps with weight management. The body has to expend energy to warm the liquid to body temperature, and the more energy your body expends, the faster your metabolism. Drinking water could help lower your overall liquid calorie intake. Because water contains no calories, filling your glass with H2O instead of high-calorie alternatives like juice, soda, sweetened tea, or coffee can reduce your overall liquid calorie intake. Being well hydrated can improve your workouts by decreasing fatigue, which can allow you to train longer and burn more calories. That's why it's so important to hydrate before and throughout your workout, not just when you start feeling thirsty. Additionally, adequate hydration promotes kidney function, flushes out harmful bacteria from the urinary tract, and prevents kidney stones, which can occur with more concentrated urine. It is important to add water to your regular diet. The next benefit of drinking water is the glow it gives your skin. Drinking water makes your skin clean and free from all toxins. Drinking water is primarily considered to prevent acne by promoting proper skin hydration. Dry skin can cause excessive sebum production, which could contribute to acne. A lot of toxins flush out in the form of sweat, so it might also cause dehydration, especially during summers. So drinking water at regular intervals can help you to maintain the temperature of the body and freshness of the skin. Water has many ways it can improve your skin, which helps improve your acne over time. Drinking water has direct and indirect benefits in the treatment of acne. First, in bacterial acne, water helps remove toxins and bacteria from the skin, thus reducing the possibility of clogging pores in the process. Second, maintaining skin moisture allows the skin to maintain healthy skin cell rejuvenation and collagen production. It helps in healing acne and reduces acne inflammation and acne scars on the skin. Finally, increasing water intake helps lower blood sugar levels. High sugar intake, which results in higher blood sugar levels, has been shown to increase acne on the skin. Balance and maintain your blood sugar by properly consuming water, which again helps to detoxify the skin. However, it should be noted that there is no quick fix for acne and no solution at all. Acne is such a complicated skin condition that it requires regular maintenance, ongoing monitoring, and frequent testing and adjustment of treatment programs. The next one is for the people suffering from diabetes. Water intake is very important for regulating blood sugar levels. Simply put, when you don't drink enough water, the glucose in your bloodstream concentrates and this leads to higher blood sugar levels. Mild or severe dehydration can have a significant effect on your diabetes. Even a mild level of dehydration, something you may not even feel, can easily cause your blood sugar to be 50 to 100 milligrams higher than if you drank enough water. If you are constantly dehydrated on a daily basis, you can even compensate for higher insulin levels than you would need if your body were given the water it needed. On the other hand, more severe levels of dehydration can increase blood sugar levels very quickly. This is a simple problem of severe dehydration that causes the glucose in your bloodstream to become extremely concentrated and then quickly diluted with large amounts of fluid. Every system in the human body relies on water to function, and the brain is no exception. In fact, about 75% of brain tissue is water. Research has linked dehydration with depression and anxiety because mental health is primarily driven by the activity of your brain. How does dehydration contribute to depression? Depression is a complex mental illness with many interfunctional moving parts between your brain and body. While it would be too simplistic to say that dehydration is a direct cause of all forms of depression, dehydration and depression are causally linked in many ways. In fact, an emerging symptom of chronic dehydration is actually depression. Dehydration causes depression in at least 3 ways. First, Dehydration distorts your brain's energy. Dehydration inhibits energy production in your brain. Many functions of your brain require energy, otherwise they may become inefficient or even shut down. Mood disorders resulting from this type of dysfunction can be categorized with depression. Anxiety, fear, insecurity, and other social stresses such as depression can be linked to not consuming enough water to the point that it affects your brain tissue. Second, dehydration inhibits your brain's production of serotonin. Depression is often associated with below normal levels of serotonin, a critical neurotransmitter that heavily affects your mood. Serotonin is produced from the amino acid tryptophan, but sufficient water is needed. Dehydration can also negatively affect other amino acids, causing feelings of unhappiness, inadequacy, anxiety, and irritability. Third, dehydration increases the stress on your body. Stress, along with a sense of powerlessness and inability to cope with stressors, is one of the most obvious contributors to depression. Water has been shown to have natural calming properties, possibly as a result of dehydration's effects on the body and brain. Also, for anyone who suffers with panic attacks, studies have shown that panic attacks are common consequences of high anxiety caused by dehydration. Panic attacks typically have physical triggers, one of which is dehydration. Keeping yourself hydrated may not stop panic attacks, they may be less frequent or at least reduce some of the triggers. Water also helps to lubricate our joints. The cartilage is made of around 80% water. Water plays a necessary role in transporting the nutrients and minerals all over our body. It is also necessary in maintaining the blood pressure. If the blood gets thicker, transportation of blood gets difficult. Without enough water flowing through our system to carry waste and toxins, we would drown in our own toxic metabolic waste products. Just as the liver plays an important role in digestion, the kidneys are needed to help get rid of water and waste. They take about 20% of the body's blood each time the heart beats, clean it of unwanted substances, and then produce urine, the liquid by which these waste products are eliminated from the body. Water is literally the river on which our good health flows. Water also plays an important role in disease prevention. Women who are well hydrated have a 79% reduced risk of breast cancer. Many doctors believe that proper water intake can help prevent chronic joint diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis because water reduces inflammation and promotes cartilage health. Consuming a good amount of water keeps you fresh and active throughout the day. It makes you lousy and helps you finish the daily tasks on time, hence making you stress-free and happy. It also keeps the brain functioning well by increasing focus and concentration and helps you get sound sleep too. It regulates the body temperature and normally keeps you cool and relaxed. It keeps your body light by improving digestion and keeps all the waste material out of your body. Hope you find the above reasons enough to include water in your daily routine. Make sure to have a minimum of 8 glasses water daily. Let us know in the comments section about the other ways in which water helps our body. Do like and share the video for more such content to help you live a long and happy life. We will be back with more such content. Till then, stay happy and hydrated.